Ultra-viral kid story, The Little Feather Who Could Fly Forever. Far away in a peaceful forest lived a tiny white feather named Philo. Philo belonged to a beautiful bird, but one day, a strong breeze blew him off the bird's wing. Whoosh! And just like that, Philo was flying alone for the first time ever. But instead of being scared, he felt happy. He whispered to himself, "Maybe this is my chance to see the world." Wind face emoji, the journey begins. Philo floated over tall trees, across bright rivers, and above fields filled with laughing children. Everyone who saw him said, "Look, a lucky feather. Make a wish quickly." Every time someone made a wish, Philo felt a warm sparkle inside him. He didn't know he had magic inside. Rain cloud emoji, the sad boy under the tree. One day, Philo drifted over a quiet village. Under a tree sat a small boy named Ruffy, crying softly. Philo floated down and landed on his shoulder. Ruffy looked up in surprise. "A feather? For me?" He held Philo gently and whispered, I wish I had one real friend." Philo glowed. A soft breeze picked him up again, and he floated away. Ruffy didn't know that magic had already begun. Dog emoji, the miracle. Just then, a little puppy wandered into the village, lost, scared, and alone. Ruffy gasped, ran to him, hugged him tight, and said, "I'll be your friend. Don't worry." The puppy wagged his tail happily. Ruffy looked up at the sky and whispered, "Thank you, lucky feather." High above, Philo watched them with joy. His magic had worked again. Sparkles emoji, the endless flight. Philo kept flying, village to village, kid to kid, granting tiny wishes, creating tiny miracles. He realized, you don't need wings to change the world. You just need a kind heart. And so, the little feather kept flying. Forever. Glowing star emoji, moral. Small things can bring big happiness. Even the tiniest kindness can change someone's life.